Waterworks. That's where we are today, guys. So welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush to Discover Boss, and I'm here with another community drive. So I recently did a video on the Manor Park Muse. You guys have probably seen that video yesterday. So this is another video coming outside of the Manor Park area. And today, as you'd seen the title, we're in the Waterworks community. It's a very upscale community, and it's also one of the first community in the Manor Park area, in the Norbrook area. So today we're taking a look at Waterworks. So remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and subscribe as well. Alright guys, so a mixture of townhouse gated complexes and also some single family lots as well. So that's mainly what the community is made up of. So we're gonna drive through the community so you guys can see a better look. So stay tuned and enjoy the drive. So on the left here is a Cocoa Palm gated complex. So we'll take the left on Broadway first, and then we'll come back around. So we have Broadway closed on the left. We have Kimberly gated complex on the right. It's a very unique name. That's a lot of person first name. So Kimberly's on the right, and then we come to a cul-de-sac with Villas of Kimberly, and we have Palomino Terrace as well. So it's not actually a cul-de-sac. We can go down there, so we're gonna go on to Palomino Terrace. Then there's a Waterworks Muse down that side, and also some lovely views up in the hill that looks like an apartment complex. Okay, and just want to show you guys a glimpse of a complex that's coming as well. Almost missed it. 1 second, wait for it. All right, so this is a complex that's coming. So what they seem to be doing is to be converting this very big single family lot into a apartment complex, as it would seem. Some of the features we're seeing already, we're seeing 24-hour security. We're also seeing elevator access, wood flooring, air conditioned rooms. We have gym along with underground parking. So it's the, let me pronounce that now, Bethabara, I think that's the name. So it's luxury apartments coming onto Palomino Terrace. So this is something that's coming, so you guys stay tuned, and as usual I'll definitely do some updates on this complex once they have started as well. Looks nice to me. What you guys think? Let me know. Alright guys, so there you just saw it, Bethabara coming soon in the Waterworks community. Let's see, let's take it. Oh, so right, so it's only one turn, so we'll go to the right, and then that's a cul-de-sac, so we'll just turn right here. Some very nice homes in this, you know, upscale uptown community. You know, just looking on, you know that the prices are not cheap. I'm sure, you know, if any of these homes are selling in this community, it's over 40 mil Jamaican, the lease, because this is a very central and upscale community in the Manor Park area. So we're going to Sharrow Drive. So this drive mainly has single family lots, and again we may have a few townhouses as well, like the Sharrows on the left. The single family lots are very big in size as well, so I guess that's why they were able to convert, you know, some of them to townhouses because of the size of the lot. So that's really good. Some nice lawns, and the road for most part is good as well. So Waterworks, what do you guys think? Let me know. And as usual, if any of you guys have ever lived in this community or still living in this community, let me know as well. We have Sharrow Estate on the left. Then we have Sharrow Mews coming up on the right. Alright, so we'll turn back here. So another cul-de-sac. Manor Drive on the right, and then this empty lot is saying NHT, no dumping allowed. So it's an NHT lot, so I guess sometime in the future they may use it up for probably an apartment complex or something. So let's take a glimpse around this side. So we see Parkway, that's the name of this road. And then Waterworks Way on the right. Well, let's head straight up first. So most of these are single family dwellings. And we have Waterworks Crescent on the right. I guess when we're coming back down, we may, you know, take a look at one of these Crescent. Again, guys, leave your comments, let me know what you think. This is a pretty neat uptown upscale community to me, but let me know what you think. have a few construction happening as well. I think this one on the right looks nice. I like the color. Alright, so I guess we'll turn back shortly. We're heading to a National Water Commission facility. So we'll turn back right here.